look alike? Because we kind of do. What do you... well, except he scratches more than I do. And I love my Bubba. Oh. He is pretty much like me, Mommy, and Daddy because he has my daddy's forehead, my mom's personality, and pretty much my ears, nose, and mouth. Well, because me and Mommy have the same mouth. You do too. Anyways, he kind of likes to chew on most things.